We're at Kalihiuka Elementary, and we just recognized Kristy for her Milken Educator Award this year, and it's so amazing to be on the other side this year. Of last year, I got my notification, and the ride it's been on in the past year, and it's amazing to see Kristy get hers, and I know what's in store for her is just she's gonna have an amazing time. Yeah, so the award finds people who are just doing an excellent job at being a teacher, administrator, or helping students along. And for Kristy, it's gonna give her recognition. And I think, when she reflects upon all the things she does for her students and how amazing she is, she'll realize that she's deserving and she's awesome. Because for me, that I just thought I was just doing my job and teaching, but over the years, just reflecting upon this, you just think of all the things you do for your students and how much more you want to do for the students, So for Kristy, this is just the start of her reflection and how she can, inspire students, and hopefully some elementary students sitting here today will become educators because of what they saw. It's just an amazing experience for everyone. I am so grateful for the Family Foundation. Last year when they called my name and just the outpour of support, and for me in Hilo, a small town, I really do made me reflect inwards of like what I want for my community, what I want for my students, and how can I help them get there? More than just being a math teacher in the classroom, like how can I inspire students? How can I help them help our community at the end of the day, So for me, it was looking inwards and saying, okay, what else can I do? And I think that's what this Milken Award does. It celebrates, activates, and elevates us to just do better and want to keep on helping our students.